want to pull up and show center, if we're close, I'll say, I'm going to pull up, show center. Now he's ready.
Yeah.
So he'll know, like, okay, he's going to do some crazy shit.
Right.
Just like expect.
Right.
But otherwise, you just...
We just kind of know what the other person's going to do because what we do, everything we do is predictable. So.
Take off flat.
No, not in this one. No. Not at this. No. No, it's a trainer.
Timer cleared.
So one thing you got to remember too is there's always somebody to follow, somebody to lead. So if you can do both well, good. Some people only want to lead, but it's actually harder to follow than it is to lead. So I'll take Frankie. I always take Frankie's lead because it's easier for me to do things on call. So when somebody says do it, I can do it. I'm ready. Go. It's alright. It doesn't affect anything. Let's not go all the way the hell out there. What are you gonna do? Okay. Wind's pushing me.
Gear down, gear up.
Okay. I'll be on closest to us. Getting pushed around like crazy.
Time remaining 2
But I think we got it. Let me get a little ahead of you. Right about there. Come, yeah, we'll do it. I'm not gonna do it with flaps though.
Why is it like this today again?
It's because it's the time of year. Summer, it usually does get kind of windy. Mikey. I helped him, yeah. I helped him a lot. He learned from a lot of different people, but I'm one of them. You touch and go? Okay. Watch. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay. Going up? It's alright, go ahead, I'll adjust. Alright.
I could, but Ray moved out of the way just in time.
Gotta turn my gyro up a little bit. I did too, and I'm like, oh crap, we're going right up into it. Slow?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Always gotta speed up. Go.
Gear down.
Landing right now.
Just doing touch and go. Whoa.
Whoa, you're
pretty good considering the conditions.
And the micro talking to us.
Yeah, we're still good. Cool under pressure. Cut in front and let you slot back.
1 minute over.
Okay, I'll let you pull up first, and then I'll go a little behind you. Whoa, snap. Yeah, just had to miss the sun.
Yeah.
As long as we separate ourselves, we got plenty of space and we're good. Go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! What's your voltage?
2 minutes over.
Went under load. Low again.
Oh! Sorry, I did that intentionally.
No, it's alright.
Because we weren't close enough. Yeah, I wanted to get both planes in the same frame.
Oh, the same frame?
Right in front of us, too. Because then it's easy to see.
Yeah. Whoa, you see that wind?
Yeah, she picked me up, too.
Whoa.
I was like, what the heck?
Gear down.
Whoa, what
I think it must have been a thermal. Because now I'm way the hell back there. Now I'm way the hell up here. It's coming in.
Gear up. Gear down.
I'm landing.
Landing flaps.
Ah! Nice.
Flaps up.
Come on, you're clear.
Over.
Landing!
That's cool. Actually did pretty good. Even with the narration from earlier. Sync. Very nice. Very nice.
If only that had been right here.
Right here,
so we
yeah.
can see it.
Let's try to whip it around. That was cool. I don't know. I'm flying though. I gotta fly something. I'll fly the next